A diagnostic interview is an important tool used in healthcare for the assessment and diagnosis of mental health disorders. It is a structured conversation between a clinician and a patient which aims to gather detailed information about the patient's symptoms, history, and current mental state. This information is then used to make an accurate diagnosis and develop an appropriate treatment plan. Some commonly used templates include the Structured Clinical Interview for DSM-5, the Diagnostic Interview Schedule, and the Mini International Neuropsychiatric Interview. During a diagnostic interview, the clinician may ask questions about the patient's current symptoms, medical history, family history, and social support system. They may also conduct a mental status exam to assess the patient's current mental state. A diagnostic interview template is typically used in initial assessments, differential diagnosis, treatment planning, and monitoring progress. People who typically use a diagnostic interview template are psychiatrists, psychologists, mental health nurses, and medical students and residents. To use our diagnostic interview template, follow these steps. Download our diagnostic interview off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Fill out the patient's details. This includes their personal information, referral information, and presenting problems. Next, fill in a section which addresses the history of their presenting problems: mental health history, medical history, substance abuse history, and social history. Next, fill out the assessment question section. The questions are on a scale from 1 to 10. How would the client rate their current level of distress? Is the client experiencing any suicidal or homicidal thoughts? Have any recent life stresses triggered the client's presenting problems? If yes, please specify. Lastly, fill out the goals for the therapy and closing section. Fill out the objectives the patient would like to achieve through therapy and any additional details for the closing section. Here is a sample of our diagnostic interview template from our Carepatron platform. To find our diagnostic interview, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.